we do have some friends who love it, but they think that maybe because of their health. So here's the question. The question is, what is an alternative to the and asset if my health rating disqualifies me?
Okay, so two things. A lot of people say, am I too old for this? And unless you're like over at 85, you're not. And so like don't make that be a problem about not reaching out. Second thing is there's some people that don't actually qualify, are unhealthy. And by the way, you might be 78, not healthy, and then you don't qualify kind of deal. So it's like, so anyways, say you don't qualify, but you still like the benefits of the and asset, you still like the philosophy. Well, then you need what's called someone that has insurable interest. So you need somebody, a spouse, children, maybe grandchildren, a business owner. So, I mean, there's in some cases, there may not be someone that fits the mold, but in most cases, if you don't qualify, you can still have all the benefits, but the insured, the person that the life insurance is actually on is not you, it's someone else. When we talk about parents creating and assets for children, like they're the ones paying, they're the owners until the insured gets 18, they could switch over ownership if they wanted, but they're the owners, their children are the insured. So that makes it so when you pass away, your kids will still have their own policy because they're the insured. So it's there's a lot of ways around. And I will also say, we're not, even if you're not super healthy and you think like, oh, this might not work, remember the philosophy is life insurance is awesome, but we're doing this for the cash, and we are reverse engineering the death benefit to cash ratio. And don't ask how that's calculated because it's different for each person depending on health ratings. It's not like a cookie cutter, number or ratio. But essentially, if you're unhealthy, your chance of dying is increased versus someone your same age that is maybe healthier. And so what that would look like is if you put the same amount of premium, your policies would look about the same, but the person that's unhealthier will get a little bit less death benefit. That makes sense, right?
Right.
Because their chances, and again, don't take this personal, but like at large numbers, your chances of dying is higher.
Right. And when you said like, we're talking about this specific question because it specifically asked about health. However, you could also sort of have a check on your health rating if you skydive a lot.
Yeah.
Or if you go swimming with sharks a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's more of the risk of,
yep.
Okay. So it's not just healthy. There is just other ways that can also change that rating just a little bit by other things that you do. You could be healthy as okay. I just wanted to make sure, because I know that question just had health in there, but I also wanted listeners to know that sometimes other things as well can be there.
Yep. Hey, I want to thank you so much for watching this video to the end. This video is on life insurance, and if you have more questions about life insurance, infinite banking, why you should overfund it, we have a link below that goes to our and asset vault. This is a free vault that gives you everything you need to know about life insurance. We have case studies, we have a calculator on there, we have a handbook, we have frequently asked questions, we go through a process. I have my masterclass on there. We literally want to be the one-stop shop for every life insurance decision. And so if you want to learn more, click the link below, and we look forward to educating and maybe opening your mind and eyes to the power of life insurance.